Hi everyone, this is Fulvia again. Welcome back to our journey through Ravenna. Today we're going to visit the Basilica of San Vitale. The Basilica of San Vitale is a very big church and it's entirely made with bricks. Its shape is different compared to other churches. It's octagonal. The number 8 is a very important symbol because God created the world in 7 days, and on the 8th day we have what we call Resurrection Day. On the outside, the basilica is very simple, but on the inside, it's a true masterpiece. It is covered with many mosaics, and we can find lots of famous characters inside. You can see the Emperor Justinian and his wife, the Empress Theodora. In the basilica, we can find many animals and colorful flowers, and they represent the beauty of life. We can also find Jesus Christ. He's represented as a young man without a beard. A young man represents an eternal God. Which one is your favorite character? Please let me know. If you want to know a bit more about the Basilica, you can download our educational kit and have fun while learning. Today's trip is over, so I'll see you very soon. Have a nice day and bye-bye.